Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of exited account on the application of Candy Crush Saga on Candy Crush Saga app. You will click on settings. In this page here, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about Candy Crush Saga and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.